Hi, my name is Laurel Anderson, founder of Laurels Originals, and this YouTube channel is all about making canvas rugs. Canvas rugs, or also known as canvas floor cloths, are made with a heavyweight canvas that is then sewn into any shape or size and painted with different designs using house paint and then coated with polyurethane varnish, and they make beautiful floor coverings. I've made thousands of canvas rugs over the last 18 years that grace homes in Costa Rica, Europe, United States and Canada, Aruba, hotels and restaurants. If you're curious about what is a canvas rug, check out the video. What in the world are canvas rugs? And it explains a lot about how we make them. If you're interested in making your own canvas rug, then there is a playlist called Do It Yourself Canvas Rugs, which has a lot of tutorial videos and tips and tricks, and also things in the studio, what we use, the materials, and different classes that we give here in the studio to make canvas rugs. There's also a lot of videos of how we go through the design process, how a client will come with a certain idea or color palette, and either they have a very defined idea about what they want, or we work together to create something unique for every single project that we do. So I hope that you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button, because then you will be notified of every new video that comes out. We've got long videos with tutorials, short videos, a lot of variety of things that I hope that you will find of interest. And if you have, I look forward to your comments and your questions. I answer every question on the channel, and I also answer any questions you have in your emails. And if you are interested in making a canvas rug, you can go to my website, laurelsoriginals.com. The link is in every single description of every single video, and you can click on the link and sign up to the website and receive the first 2 videos of my course on how to make canvas rugs for free. You'll also be signing up to Canvas Rug Crafters Design email, which comes out a couple of times a month with stories of my 48 years here in Costa Rica, and also how the projects that we're working on at the time. So thank you so much for joining me. Click the subscribe button, send me an email, and make a comment on any videos with any of your questions. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.